In this section, software setup, I'm going to show you how to download, install and configure some software programs that are necessary for developing the project. Suppose that you have a fresh computer with only the operating system installed. For example, on my computer is Windows operating system. The task is to download, install, configure and test the following software programs: Java Development Kit or JDK, Eclipse IDE, Apache Tomcat Server, MySQL Database Server, and MySQL Workbench. Note that all of these software programs are totally free. If you have all this stuff already installed on the computer, you can skip this video and jump to the next one. First, we need to install the Java Development Kit or JDK. Because we are developing a Java application,